Cleaning your retainer the wrong way causes all kinds of health problems, from bad breath and tooth decay to increasing the risk of Alzheimer's, heart disease, and diabetes. The bacteria that thrive in your retainer can cause irreversible damage to your health. I've been a dental hygienist since 2015, and today I'm showing you the 3 best ways to clean your retainer, starting with the most basic to the best, the Dental Pod Pro. Let me show you how to do it the right way. First up, using a toothbrush. Make sure you only ever use a soft bristle toothbrush. I'm pretty sure the medium and hard bristle brushes are only made for cleaning kitchen grout. This is simple and works in a pinch to remove big bits of food or plaque buildup. But here's the thing, it's not getting rid of the microscopic bacteria like candida and streptococcus that can cause real problems. These actually damage your retainer, meaning more trips to the dentist for replacements, which isn't cheap. Cleaning tablets. These are definitely a step up from just brushing. They'll help soften plaque and offer a little more disinfectant action. They all claim they clean 99% of bacteria, but at the end of the day, if they all contain harmful chemicals you would not put in your mouth, why are you putting your retainers in them? Tablets get you closer to a good clean retainer, but they're still not perfect. They lack that necessary scrubbing action to remove years of tough grime and plaque that make your retainers yellow and cloudy. So before we get to the best way to clean your retainers, I want to tell you about today's sponsor, Zima Dental. And this is really exciting for me because I was a customer for almost 2 years before they became a sponsor, and I love their products so much that I recommend them to all of my patients. Zima Dental has completely transformed oral appliance care with products that are scientifically backed and high quality. They're passionate about making dental hygiene more effective and accessible, whether you're cleaning retainers, night guards, or any other oral appliance. Their mission? To simplify and improve the way we care for these essentials. So let me introduce the Dental Pod Pro, the at-home professional-grade ultrasonic cleaner. This is the industry standard of dental cleaning equipment for your home. Professional-grade cleaners give a deep clean that gets rid of plaque, bacteria, and bad smells while keeping your oral appliances in good shape. The problem is, they take up lots of space, and you probably don't have access to one because they're at the dental office, and they generally cost $1,000 or more. However, the Dental Pod Pro offers the exact same professional level cleaning in minutes, is as compact as a coffee mug, and is incredibly easy to use. Start by adding water, putting your retainer in, and pressing start. The Dental Pod Pro does all the work for you. No scrubbing, no mess. It uses ultrasonic waves creating nanoscale bubbles that expand and collapse rapidly, smashing grime, bacteria, and plaque, leaving your retainers brand new and fresh. It's like having a mini professional clean your retainer every day. And you can get a 10% discount using code HONEST at checkout. Just click the link below. It's the ultimate way to keep your retainer and your mouth as clean as possible. Watch this next video here for more info on how to have a clean mouth and fresh breath.